Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy campfire grill. All you need is 3, maybe 4 shelf brackets. These are about 99 cents most places. Take a hammer and just tap the shelf bracket into the ground. Okay, then take some charcoal. I've got matchlight charcoal. And you don't need a lot, but just pour out some underneath the brackets. Kind of spread it around so that it will all catch fire. Then take a lighter, light the charcoal, different spots. Take your skillet, set it right on top of the burner that you've made from shelf brackets. And there you have an easy and quick camping charcoal grill. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.